Hey Amanda, so I am sending you back a video. I've actually been doing some work on these over the weekend and kind of got a good start on getting all these mandatory training classes branded. So the mandatory trainings, you probably already know this, they either fall into one of two categories. Some of the trainings require staff to go to the net learning site, and some of the trainings require certified staff to go to the e-learning site. So my plan is to get a good one for the net learning and a good one for the e-learning, and then I can just copy these pages and then just make some little edits so that everything looks the same. So check out asbestos awareness as well as equity training for teachers, because those are the two ones that I kind of feel like I'm done on. However, I have a couple questions. I have two questions. I did go through the accessibility piece, but the two items that are kind of hanging out there where I'm not quite sure where to go with is this on my accordions, the ones that I created, I'm getting this reuse button. Don't know why. Yours didn't have it, but mine do. So I'm sure you know the answer to this. So I'm getting this reuse button. So if you could just let me know how to get rid of that. As well as I noticed that you were able to link out to the verification. And something wonky is happening to me when I try to do that. So let me show you what it's doing. And maybe you already, or I'm pretty sure that you have a workaround for this. So here I went in and I clicked the edit button, and then I'm here. There's my accordion. When I have that submit your verification of completion, when I highlight this guy and I attach it to the quiz, it bounces up to the top, and it's linked, but so I'm wondering if I have to somehow link that out in the accordion. So if you could give me the 411 on that, that'd be great as well. So let me know what you think, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Know that some work needs to be done on the emergency action plan as well. I'm going to tackle all these e-learning and these net courses first, and then maybe you could give me some of your fabulous feedback on the EAP class. So just know that that's something that I know needs some branding as well as some finessing as well. So I look forward to hearing back from you. Talk to you later.